In this video, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of using SharkLink on your SharkJack display. And this is a feature that I have wanted my entire IT career. You're going to see why here in just a moment. I have two switches on my desk, and we are going to answer that age-old question: do they speak to each other? And this is a built-in tool right out of the box on your SharkJack display. No need to update payloads or anything else. It's built right in, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. If we come over to the main menu and head down to Tools, we'll see that we have SharkLink. And quite simply, our only real options are to launch SharkLink or to configure it. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go to Tools, SharkLink, and the configuration out of the box is going to be the same on all SharkJacks. We'll see what that is here in just a moment. If I go into configure, there is a pairing code. Now that pairing code is going to be 1337 by default. So since they both have the same one, they will be able to, confirm that they can speak to each other. Now obviously you can set up various different pairing codes between any two SharkJacks and use that to test whether or not they can speak to each other. So with the configuration done, I'm simply going to plug this other SharkJack in to this network, and we're going to say launch SharkJack. And here let's go ahead and check out changing the configuration again. Yes, we've got our pairing code. It's 1337. If we want to change it, we can do that here. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to say save on both. The port is again going to be 1337, and that is configurable. So I will say save and save. And we're going to save that as the default going forward. So I'm going to say yes and say yes. So now that's always going to happen for us, and they're going to start searching for each other, and immediately discovered. This one says discovered and gives me the IP address 192.168.86.73, which is this guy. And this guy tells me the IP address of that one. Now with that, if I press any key, I'll now be asked, hey, do we want to check direct connection? So it's one thing to know that they can see each other, but can they actually establish a communications link and pass data to one another? Well, let's do that. I'm going to go ahead and say test. We are testing, and the link is in fact confirmed. So there you go. This is a very simple but powerful feature built into the SharkJack display. Use SharkLink to validate VLAN configurations, to check firewall rules, ACLs, and otherwise just answer that age-old question when you see two ports on your network. Who wired these? Are they going to the same switch? Are they going to the right ports on those switches? Can they communicate? It's a simple and powerful feature that I wish I had when I worked as a sysadmin for a decade, and I hope you guys enjoy it.